Hi everyone guys, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. In this video I will give you the clear info regarding variables in Python. Okay, see here what I have displayed here, you will be getting clear concept precisely guys. Okay, so variables. So what's the main purpose of variables in programming? Let me explain you here. Okay, variables are memory location places used to store data. So if you want to work with some values, first of all we need to store that values in a particular variable. So like here a b c d are the variable names here. Here a is assigned with 10, b is assigned with high, and c is assigned with 39.8, d is assigned with hello. So in Python there is no need to mention here type of the data. So as in C, for example here in C we are mentioning like this: int a is equal to 10, 19, just like here we are mentioning. But in Python no need to mention like this. Okay, here when we assign a value with 10, automatically the type will be integer. When we assign b value with high in double quotes or single quotes, automatically the type will be string. C is equal to 39.8, automatically the type will be float. In the same manner D will be the string. So this is how we are using variables in our programming. Okay, so no need to mention any type of the data, just like int in C language. Okay, and coming into here, variable names are case sensitive. That means here uppercase and lowercase letters are different. So you must be very careful about this. For example, if you use capital ABC and small ABC in your program, so both are different. For example, if you have assigned ABC with 10 value and small ABC with 20 point something, so capital ABC of type integer and small ABC of type float here, because both are different variables. So here Python is a case sensitive programming language. That means uppercase and lowercase letters are different. Okay, here in this case both capital ABC and small ABC are both different variables. Okay, hope that you have got clear idea on case sensitive. Yeah, coming into rules of the variables. That means while we are creating a variable, we need to follow some set of rules, otherwise the compiler or interpreter will raise an error. Yeah, coming into here, in Python it should not start with a digit, just like let me show you an example: 1 ABC. So in this case it will raise an error, because a variable should not start with digit here. Okay, so that is the first case here, and also it only allows underscore special character. For example, if you use like this, so at the rate ABC, and also in this case of because it only allows underscore special character into our variables in Python programming. Okay, see here, if you use like this underscore ABC, it will not raise any error. So it will not raise any error. And coming into third point here, it can be alphanumeric, just like here AB underscore 123 underscore AB 123. It can be alphanumeric. You can use digits from 0 to 9 here, and capital A to Z and small a to Z in our variables. And also we can use underscore special symbol in our program. So these are all the three different type of valid variable names here, which satisfies all these rules. Okay, so this is how we are using variables in our programming. Hope that you have got clear idea on variables. For further programming tutorials like Python videos, please subscribe my channel and follow my channel. You will be getting notifications, and I will explain you global variables in Python and all, how to assign a value and how to retrieve value from the variable, and all in the coming days. Okay, thank you guys.